In this video, we will do Indian stock market weekly analysis to know the view for the coming week. Last week, market was very turbulent. Here, I am referring Nifty 50 price chart. Nifty 50 was down 3.83% week on week basis. Market was very bearish. In stock market, on every fall there will be strong pullback. Now this pullback has been sold out. Previous swing took support at previous consolidation zone. Once again the price has reached this level. This 15,700 to 15,500 has become significant demand zone. We can expect a pullback from this level. As per retracement analysis, 38.2% retracement level is at 16,600, while 28% level comes at 16,250 to 260 level. Now, if we combine with price action, here price took support, here also price has taken support. This 16,250 to 16,400 level will act as strong supply zone for coming week. If this level is taken off, Nifty will touch 16,600 level. If Nifty touches 16,600, it doesn't mean it will give breakout and this swing low forms double bottom. Not every time it happens. One more time selling will come. If we see daily time frame, last day candle traded above previous day high. At the same time, previous day low was not broken. It means sell-off has been reduced. Previous swing buying came here. Here consolidation breakout also happened. 15,700 to 15,500 level can be seen as strong demand zone. In daily time frame, after a fall, there is a pullback. Again fall and pullback. Now again it has fallen. If we take retracement levels for this fall, 38.2% retracement is at 16,350. This gap created on 6th May, 16,400 to 16,600 band will act as strong resistance. Overall market Monday, will it open gap down and recover or open gap up and run away? Analyzing is very difficult. But Nifty has reached the buying zone. Nifty sell-off is overextended. A pullback can be expected. Now we will analyze Bank Nifty in weekly time frame. Bank Nifty also had lot of turbulence. It fell 4.25% week on week basis. If we see the price action here, price has rejected. Here also rejected. It gave breakout and became support. Again it has fell. Breakdown candle was bullish. It opened gap down. Buying came close and closed above open. So this zone of 32,100 to 32,500 can be considered as strong buying zone. Here price has took support as well as rejected. This is valid for next week. Bank Nifty will reach till this zone. If we do the retracement analysis, 38.2% level is at 34,400. This level has multiple support. The price has rejected at this zone, 34,200 to 34,400. This will act as strong resistance. In daily time frame, Bank Nifty is reaching this demand area. In last day trading, Bank Nifty opens gap up, sell off came. There was no follow up, only 1.23% fell. Here there is price rejection. 34,800 will act as resistance. This gap will also act as resistance. So 34,800 to 35,200 will be significant level for resistance. If we do retracement analysis for daily time frame, 38.2% is at 34,400. This supply level is valid for this week. This zone will be demand zone. Overall, Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty is overextended towards downside. Pullback expected this week.